Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate Experido add-on for Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2015. This add-on enables us to design intelligent documents in Word and generate dynamically from CRM. I will start by showing how to create a template. So after installing the add-on, you will find a new work area, Experido, and let's click on Experido Management. So first we have to create a dataset for our template. Let's click on New. I would like to create a dataset for quote. So the primary entity will be quote, and I can give it a name. Let's say quote 1. Okay, let's go to the next stage and build the dataset. In the right side, I can see field related to quote. I can choose a lookup field, for example, a potential customer, and add the lookup related fields to my dataset. So for example, I can add the account fields and contact fields. And let's add also the owner, the user field. In the left side, I can see one-to-many relationships. So I can also add quote products to my dataset. Okay, great. So let's save and let's go and create a template. Let's click on templates and click on new template. Okay, so the template name can be also quote 1, and the dataset will be the dataset we just created, quote 1. And let's go to more settings. So as mentioned, we can see here more settings for the templates, like how to save template, the save as format, and how to deliver to the customer. Don't worry, when we generate the quote, we can also change those settings manually. So let's go to the last stage and design the template. Okay, so designing a template here is pretty easy with Experido. You can see the dataset we created here in the right side. We can see here all dynamics fields that we can use. Usually we just copy and paste our own document and insert the dynamic field. Like here, we can go to the potential customer, account, and let's choose the primary contact. So dynamically, the system will add the primary contact to this row in this document. Okay, so I want to show you an example of a quote that I created with this add-on. Let's go to this quote. Let's edit. Let's open the design in Word. Okay, so as you can see, I inserted a logo and a table for the quote products. And I can insert also photos and URLs and do some kind of calculation here. It's a great tool for building your own document. Okay, so let's do a quick example. Let's add the dynamic field here, like the primary contact of the customer, for example. Okay, and I will add my name here. I'm the owner of this record. So I will add, we'll go to the owner, the quote. Okay, great. So let's check out and check in. Let's open the system and do a quick example. Let's go to sales. quotes. Let's go to the quote. Okay, so now we'll go to here and expand the document. And now we can choose the template I would like to use. Let's use this template and go to the next step. Here I can choose if I want to save as PDF or other formats. Let's go to the next step. Here I can choose if I want to print this document or email it directly to the customer. And that's it. We can generate this document. Let's click on the link and see the document we just generated. So as you can see, those fields were automatically and dynamically added to this quote, to this document. And we can see the product table. Okay, so this is all for now. If you have more questions regarding this add-on, you can contact us. Our contact details are written below. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.